কোয়ালিফিকেশন কি? কোন ক্লাস পাস করেছেন? স্কুলে গেছেন? কোন স্কুল, কোন ক্লাস অবধি পড়েছেন? কোথা থেকে এইচএস পড়েছেন? হ্যাঁ,
Hotuganj, Diamond Harbour 2.
প্লিজ আইডেন্টিফাই, লার্নেড অ্যাডভোকেট, প্লিজ আইডেন্টিফাই হু ইজ হি।
Well, I don't know, my
No, 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 you will identify your client.
Yusuf. Mala then
Who is
Yusuf, I
Yusuf?
don't know,
Yusuf?
but I don't know.
দেখি, let me see the file.
Container number 2, my lords.
Yusuf Ali Haldar Pradhan,
Yes.
he is your
Mala kindly come to page
Upapradhan, my lord.
5 in my contempt application.
He is the Upapradhan. My lord, Pradhan
5
is
in my
not
contempt
working.
application, my lord, he was in charge of Pradhan now,
is in charge.
and that
He was in charge. But he
Central
originally
Lordship
he was
direction, my
Upapradhan.
lord, hearing was conducted, and no order has been passed.
Why did he not pass any order? What is the punishment that is
My
to
lord,
be
That is
imposed
the
upon
order.
him?
my lord, as my lord, Pradhan is not my lord working. So my lord, Upapradhan, then my lord, charge has been given him later, my lord. For that period, my lord, there is a delay.
During
But
the
since
period
my
the
lord,
order was supposed to be complied, he was in charge. What is to be done? To be given
my
punishment?
lord, my lord, he notice was issued once upon a time, and then my lord,
Once
he
upon a
think that my lord,
time.
Pradhan will
Now
pass
he
the
will see what
my lord,
happens
Pradhan.
once upon a time.
My lord, my lord, if my lord possible, my lord, he file an affidavit, my lord, next day. My lord, kindly,
Please
my
come.
lord, excuse
You want
him.
affidavit file? All right. Acha. And what about the others?
Disclosing the my lord delay.
Where is Ardhendu Shekhar Ghosh? Was he
Yes, my lord,
supposed to
present.
be? He is the secretary of the
Order,
Gram
order, present.
Panchayat.
Present,
And
my
where
lord.
is Rahul Shodhar?
He is,
They
he
are
is
all
also present.
the representatives of the Gram Panchayat. Why was the order not complied? What is the explanation in the affidavit?
My lord, affidavit, my lord, there is a my lord delay. They have praying my lord unconditional apology also. My lord, they are not my lord understanding the my lord meaning of this your lordship order, my lord.
If they
They
do
are
not understand
supposed
the court's order, they ought not to hold the
they, my
post
lord,
in
they are
question.
they so such a person, my lord. My lord, container number 3 is the my lord new Pradhan. He has my lord
Contempt number 1, Ardhendu Shekhar.
2003.
Yes,
আপনার কি
One is the my lord
কোয়ালিফিকেশন আছে?
secretary of the Gram Panchayat.
secretary, my
Secretary
lord.
of the
আপনার
Gram Panchayat.
কোয়ালিফিকেশন কি? কোন ক্লাস পাস করেছেন? স্কুলে গেছেন? কোন স্কুল, কোন ক্লাস অবধি পড়েছেন? এইচএস
My lord,
পড়েছেন?
secretary
সার্টিফিকেট
think
আছে?
that my lord,
কোথা থেকে
secretary
এইচএস
my lord
পড়েছেন?
supposed to
কোথা থেকে এইচএস পড়েছেন? হ্যাঁ,
Hotuganj, Diamond Harbour 2 block.
my lord, Pradhan will
বোর্ডের
supposed to
বোর্ডের
pass the order.
সার্টিফিকেট আপনার কাছে আছে?
But my lord,
আপনি কোর্টের অর্ডারটা জানতেন? কোর্টের অর্ডারটা জানতেন? জানতেন না?
now my lord, they have complied already.
অসুস্থ হয়ে পড়েছিলেন? পঞ্চায়েতের কাজ করতে আপনি অসুস্থ হয়ে পড়লেন? কি করেন এমনিতে? এমনিতে কিছু করেন না? সংসার কি করে চালান? কি সার্ভিস করেন? হ্যাঁ, গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের সেক্রেটারি। আপনি তো অসুস্থ, তাহলে আপনি কাজ কি করে করেন?
My lord, they have
জানেন না কি
already
করে
now
কাজ
my
করতে হয়?
lord,
ইউসুফ আলী,
now
আপনার কি শিক্ষাগত যোগ্যতা কতটা? ক্লাস 8 পাস। হাইকোর্টের অর্ডার নিশ্চয়ই আপনি বুঝতে পারেন না কি বলেছে, জানেন না, কিন্তু পঞ্চায়েতের কাজ আপনারা করতে পারেন, তাই তো? কি করে বুঝতে পারেন পঞ্চায়েতে কি কাজ করতে হবে? বুঝতে পারেন কি? আপনার রোজগার কি আছে?
এখন ব্যবসা করছি,
কিসের ব্যবসা?
দোকান,
কিসের দোকান? সামনে এগিয়ে আসুন।
খাবারের দোকান আছে।
কি খাবার?
এই এমনি চিপ টিপ দোকান আছে,
হ্যাঁ,
চিপের দোকান আছে, চিপ টিপ বিস্কুট টিপ এইসব দোকান আছে।
my lord, all are my lord praying my lord apology my lord. So my lord, now my lord already been complied. They have sent my lord pass the resolution sent to the SDO to pass necessary order of demolition.
Now, my lord, this
My
is the
lord,
order
am
compliance report. The order which has been passed by the Pradhan, present the page 12.
who is the present Pradhan? 3.
Now, Rahul Sardar, signature. It's kindly come to compliance, page 12.
but
কালকে থ্রেট করেছিল না সেইটা ব্যাপার। yours faithfully. Now, Pradhan has not, my lords.
কোথায়?
Last,
ওয়ের ইজ রাহুল প্রধান? সামনে
my
আসুন।
lord, this order has been
আপনার কতটা শিক্ষাগত যোগ্যতা?
9
ক্লাস 9। এখানে আপনি একটা অর্ডার পাস করেছেন, এটা কে তৈরি করে দিয়েছে আপনাকে?
এটা আপনার উকিল সাহেব বলেছিলেন সেভাবে।
উকিল সাহেব বলে দিয়েছে, আপনি তৈরি করে দিয়ে দিয়েছেন, তাই তো? কি কাজ করেন পঞ্চায়েতে?
পঞ্চায়েতে
কি কাজ করেন?
কি হচ্ছে
কি কাজ করেন?
কাজ বলতে আপনার যে পঞ্চায়েতে যে কাজগুলো আছে,
কি কাজ বলুন না, কি কাজ?
পঞ্চায়েতে যেটা মানুষের যেটা পরিষেবা দেওয়ার জন্য।
কি পরিষেবা আপনি দিয়েছেন মানুষকে পঞ্চায়েতের?
আপনার যে কোনো ওই সার্টিফিকেট থেকে বলুন।
কত পয়সা নেন সার্টিফিকেট দিতে?
হ্যাঁ?
কত টাকা লাগে?
টাকা
হুম?
না, টাকা টাকা নেব
টাকা লাগে না?
না।
আপনি টাকা নেন না?
না।
আচ্ছা, রোজগার করতে হয় আপনার?
আমার বাড়িতে একটা ছোটখাটো ব্যবসা আছে।
কিসের ব্যবসা?
এই গালা খাট যে পালিশ হয়।
হাটের পালিশ করেন? সময় কখন পান পঞ্চায়েতের কাজ করার?
সময় বলতে এখন ব্যবসাটা বাড়ির লোকজন দেখছে।
বাড়ির লোকজন দেখছে? হঠাৎ ইচ্ছে হলো কেন আপনার পঞ্চায়েতে প্রধানের পোস্টে দাঁড়ানোর জন্য?
না ম্যাডাম, ইচ্ছে ছিল না, এবারে
ইচ্ছে ছিল না, জোর করে আপনাকে করে দিয়েছে, তাই তো?
করে না, এবারে পার্টি থেকে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছে।
পার্টি থেকে সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছে, আপনার ইচ্ছে নেই তো? ইমিডিয়েটলি আপনি রেজিগনেশন দেবেন। বুঝতে পেরেছেন? যে আপনার ইচ্ছে নেই, আপনাকে জোর করে দাঁড়া করিয়ে দিয়েছে, আপনি রেজিগনেশন দিয়ে নিয়ে নিন, নিয়ে আপনার নিজের ব্যবসা করুন। এই পার্টির কাজ করতে হবে না, আর পঞ্চায়েতের কাজও করতে হবে না। আপনি তো কিছু বোঝেন না কি করে কাজ করতে হবে, ঠিক তো? আপনি তো কিছু বোঝেন না, আপনাকে তো যে যা বলে দেবে আপনি তাই করে দেবেন, ঠিক তো?
My lord,
মিস্টার
they
দাস,
all do.
please let him file an affidavit and I'm going to impose exemplary cost upon these people. লিখুন তো।
Lord, they have already, my lord, complied, your lordship.
আগে টিকিট দেবেন না,
They
আগে
passed
টাকা
the
দিয়ে
resolution, my lord. In presence of the all the member of the Gram Panchayat, they have passed the resolution.
Yes.
And my lord, send the same to the SDO to take necessary steps, my lord, as per
Whether
Panchayat.
to be sent to the SDO or to be sent where the court will see.
No, my lord, as per my lord,
আচ্ছা, লিখুন তো
amendment of the Panchayat Act, my lord,
there is
SDO,
no
my lord,
affidavit filed by the contender number 2. Stop. Paragraph. The court has conversed with the contender number 2 in open court. Stop. The contender number 2 has disclosed that he was aware of the order, but as he did not understand the purport of the same, action could not be taken. Stop. Let an affidavit be filed by the contender number 2 explaining why proceedings for contempt shall not be initiated against him for not complying the order of the court. Stop. Let such affidavit be prepared and circulated by 12th of September, list on 19th of September. The contemners, all the 3 contemners are directed to remain personally present on the adjourned date.
as your lordship. Great.
At 57, I appear on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. My lord, in this matter, my lord, they preferred an appeal, and the appeal court, on the last occasion, my lord, have handed over the order. My lord, the appeal court said that, my lord, the contempt may be proceeded with. Thereafter, the appeal was again listed, and the Honorable Chief Justice was pleased to release the matter on the ground that since the contempt proceeding, this has to be heard by the regular bench. Now, they have not yet taken any steps to get the matter heard before the regular bench.
Regular bench means?
My lord, kindly,
Appeal.
court number 6, yes. Because, my lord,
Appeal court,
yes,
regular appeal
regular
bench.
appeal court.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, they have not taken any steps to get the appeal heard. Your lordship on the last occasion directed them to file an affidavit. Till today, there is no affidavit on board, my lord.
Lordship will kindly see the order dated 26th of July 2024, my lord.
Hmm.
Department was to serve the rule, and in answer to that rule, we have to use the affidavit. So, but rule has to be served. The
Rule has
procedure
Not
been
it
served.
been served?
not been served.
The rule has been served. এটাই তো they have issued the memo number also that when it has been served, my lord, to my advert on record.
কি বলছেন? Unserved. কারণ কারণ
Full dispatch হয়েছে না served হয়েছে বলতে গেলে?
according to the special messenger
Dispatch
could not be served over as he
টাকা
Has been served হবে না?
সার্ভ করে সার্ভড হয়েছে তো
Where are the contaminants right now?
The address is provided in the cost title.
Yes, address is there, but the person is not there.
Well, initially also when the writ
That
petition
1 minute.
It was attempted to be served but couldn't be served. That is the report.
Yes,
my lord.
that is the report.
May I say this, my lord, the lawyers are appearing. Let the advocate on records receive the rule, my lord, on behalf of the client and give us 2 weeks to reply. Because my lord, I'll be my lord, very candid before your lordship. My lord, our stand is very, very limited. Your lordship's order was appealed against, my lord. That main order has been upheld. So it's a question of violation now. We say, my lord, that we filed an affidavit stating that we don't have that, we cannot pay. Now your lordship has not issued the rule. We shall say, my lord, that is not the actual fact also that they don't have the means to pay. In that event, it is not a willful and deliberate violation. This will only stand, my lord, that they don't have the money to pay. But, my
Please
lord,
come,
it has to be, my lord,
peruse the
filed
report
we have an affidavit, my lord.
of the এই প্রদীপ
Let
এই
the advocate on records
রিপোর্টটা কার
receive it, my lord.
রিপোর্টটা কার peruse the report of the section officer / superintendent CDS section signed on 28th of August 2024. Stop. It appears therefrom that the contempt rule which was attempted to be served through special messenger could not be served as the contemner was not available at the address mentioned in the writ petition. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the contemners prays for service of the rule upon the learned advocate. Stop. Paragraph. As the learned advocate agrees to accept service of the contempt rule on behalf of the contemner, accordingly, let the service of the rule be effected upon the learned advocate representing the contemner. Stop. Affidavit may be filed by the contemner.
Contemners, my lord, there are two.
By
Two, my lord.
contemners by 19th of September. List on 3rd of October.
Well, only one thing, well, probably Mr. Banerjee will be filing the affidavit as regards to whether they will pay the 1 crore or not. But there is no dispute of the fact about the demolition order. Let BMC comply the demolition order. Probably Mr. Banerjee will not stand in the way.
Where is the... Oh, you are there.
Yeah.
What about the demolition?
My lord, we have issued letters to the commissioner, my lord, seeking,
Yes.
my lord, a suitable date for police assistance. Your lordship knows it's a G+4 building, my lord, fully occupied, my lord. Huge amount of police force is required, my lord. I have just now received the letters that has been, my lord, written to the commissioner of police. That they have not yet replied, my lord. Let them, my lord, file the, my lord, affidavit or, my lord, whatever your
You
lord.
have got nothing to
But
do
I have
with the
nothing to
affidavit.
do, my lord. Only all I need is a day's accommodation, certain weeks accommodation, my lord, so that the police communicates the date.
My lord was pleased to restore the electricity connection because of the scorching heat.
Mhm.
Probably now, my lord, the heat has come down. My lord, kindly directs the WebCDCL to disconnect the electricity. My lord.
1 minute, I didn't hear you.
This order has been carried out by this time, then your connection has to be disconnected.
Yes.
There will be a
Otherwise, my lord, they
Yes.
will never.
Acha. The order of demolition is yet to be implemented. Stop. Learned advocate representing the Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation submits upon instruction that a request has been made to the Commissioner of Police, Bidhannagar Police Commissionerate to fix up a suitable date.
Lord, it is addressed to the joint commissioner.
Acha, addressed to the Joint Commissioner. Commissioner বললাম তো, সেটা Joint Commissioner হবে. What is the request to
My
give a
lord, just to
date?
convey the suitable date with for police assistance, my lord. Because we are ready. We will not, we will only take care of the demolition part.
Hmm.
For maintaining the law and order,
Hmm.
police force is required.
Subject to Lordship's correction, the police is also here. Your Lordship can direct the state also.
না না শেষটা বলুন না এখানটা জয়েন্ট কমিশনার অফ পুলিশ হুম হুম হ্যাঁ and convey the same to the corporation so that the demolition may be effected. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that the building is a G+4 storage structure, comma, fully occupied, and police force would be required to remove the occupants. Stop paragraph. The Commissioner of Police, comma, Vidhannagar Police Commissionerate is directed to fix up a suitable date for providing police help to the men and agents of the corporation so that the process of demolition may start. Paragraph. Shall be intimated to the occupants of the subject structure for them to vacate the same prior to the starting of the demolition work. Paragraph.
And Milord, another notice to be served to the Milord WBSCTCL authority so that they can also
Disconnect the electricity.
prior to that.
Intimation shall also be served upon the upon the electricity service provider for disconnection of the electric supply